Another awesome train there, and of course this is my first train video in a little while with my video camera. The battery charger arrived a little early. It arrived, I want to say, Tuesday. So yesterday I was busy kind of charging up the batteries. Actually, it came with three batteries instead of two batteries. I thought it was going to come with two batteries, but it came with three. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please hit that subscribe button, make a comment if you like, and we're watching this. I hope you have a good day. Be safe out there. Until next time I get a train video.